In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Valorant is not responding on startup or on launch. The first step I suggest you do is you open up your Riot client, come here and go to settings, choose Valorant and try and repair the game. See if this helps fix it. Otherwise, you can just go to Task Manager, Details, sort by the name, press anywhere and press V. Look for Valorant. If you have Valorant open, you want to end the task. You don't have to do it with Vanguard, but do it with Valorant. Then press R and then do it for Riot Client Services.exe. This should close down all the other Riot clients, and then you can try and relaunch and see if that works. Now, if this still doesn't work, another thing you can do is if you get the not responding error message, you can just try and wait. Sometimes you have to wait for like 10 or 15 minutes, and this will also help fix it. Now, if this still doesn't work, another thing we can do is right click on our desktop, go to display settings, scroll down and choose graphic settings. In here, we want to add Valorant. So what we want to do is we want to find Valorant. So just search for Valorant, right click, open file location, and then do it again. This should take you to a Riot client folder. Then you want to go to Riot Games, Valorant, Live, and in here you should have a Valorant.exe. So we want to add this one, and we also want to add another one, or the shooter games, binaries, Windows, and this one. So we want to try and add both in here. So just press Browse, come in here, click Ctrl C, click Ctrl V. Then you want to try and add this one. You can see I already added it. And then you also want to try and add this one right here. So let's just try and add this one as well, like that. So as you can see, I already added both of mine. I have it here and I have it here. Then you want to go to Options and choose High Performance and save for both of them. Check if that fixes the issue. Otherwise, come back here, find this one, Properties, Compatibility, activate these two, apply OK, and see if that works. Otherwise, you can try and run in compatibility mode for Windows 8 as well. If that still doesn't work, come and do it on the other one, right here. Activate these two and try compatibility mode as well, if that doesn't work. And then you can also try and do it on your Riot client. As you can see, I have it right here. Now, hopefully any of these should help fix the issue. Otherwise, you can try and uninstall the game and see if that helps. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.